There are many instruments which are based on Pascal's law. Some of them are hydraulic jack, hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake and hydraulic press. These are major. Among them, today I am going to tell you about the hydraulic press. Let's talk about hydraulic press. Exactly what it is? Hydraulic press is an instrument based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and is used to lift heavy loads with less effort and is also used to compress different substances. Have you noticed that here we have 3 points? 1. It is based on Pascal's law. Second, it magnifies the force, and in terms of use also definition is given. It is used to raise heavy load by less effort, and most of the time it is found to be used to compress different substances. Okay, let's talk about its construction. This may be the very simple representation of hydraulic press. Here, a small cylinder is connected to a big cylinder by means of a narrow tube, and a small piston is given at the mouth of a small cylinder and a big piston is given at the mouth of big cylinder, and oil is filled in it, and a rigid support is given to the big piston to compress the object placed in between the big piston and the rigid support. This is the construction of hydraulic press. Now how it works? When we apply force F1 at the lever, then it exerts pressure in the liquid. According to Pascal's law, pressure exerted at any point in a confined liquid transmits equally and perpendicular to all the direction. That's why the same pressure now transmits to big cylinder. And when it reaches to big cylinder, the pressure remains same, but the force magnifies to huge value because the area of a small piston is very less in comparison with the big piston, and since area is very huge in big piston, the force magnifies to huge value, but in both the side pressure is same, and this force pushes the big piston up, and the material kept in between the big piston and rigid support is now compressed. In this way, hydraulic press is used in making cotton bundle also. Okay, this is simple representation of hydraulic press. We'll meet in another class with another matter. Thank you.